Creating private name servers at enam.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through enam.com and starts from the enam.com homepage. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click My Account and sign into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. Click Domains in the main menu. Then click Advanced Tools. And finally, register a name server. Enter your new name server and its associated IP address in these boxes. Then click Register Name Server. Now repeat the process to create your second name server. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at enam.com.